Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. Again, with another delicious recipe for a summer cocktail. And today, we're not going to be disappointed. This is going to be one of the favorites for La Güera, my lovely wife behind the camera. This is actually Tres Generaciones Cristalino. This is an añejo one, but actually it is clear. So this is going to be an amazing cocktail, super clean, super nice. And let me show you how we're going to do the rhubarb margarita with strawberries. Only here in Hey Bartender. All right, so how are we going to make the rhubarb margarita? Well, very simple, you guys. This is the only hard work that you're going to be doing. You're going to be making your rhubarb syrup. Okay, so rhubarb. What is actually the rhubarb? This is actually kind of like in the family of the actual celeries. And well, it is summer. This is a perfect occasion to get some of the syrup. And well, basically you're gonna have like out of one stick, you're gonna get like probably like a half or 3/4 of it, chop it really fine, put it into half of a bottle, half a cup of water and half of a cup of sugar and let it boil. This particular one, you have to wait until the actual rhubarb start like breaking and you can see it everything in fibers. That'll be the perfect moment to remove the rhubarb, kind of like squeeze it down, get all the sugar out, let it simmer for a little bit until it gets a little bit more of viscosity, and then just let it get to room temperature. Store it in the refrigerator, and here we go. So you can have lots and lots and lots of applications for this guy, all right? So let's start building our margarita, you guys. Super easy. We're gonna grab 2 strawberries. We're gonna put 2 healthy ounces. Of tequila. On our syrup, we're gonna go for 3/4. And we're gonna start muddling. Let's make sure that you break down all the strawberries. That way you can incorporate the flavors. Let's finish it up with 2 ounces of fresh lime juice. Let's add some ice. Let's give it a shake. Okay. Ooh. All right. Now that we have our cocktail, let's jump into our garnish. So one of the cool things that we're going to start doing is obviously your Pac-Man. Let's get half. Top it up with ice. Halfway, but you're going to get like a really thin slices of strawberry, and you're going to attach them to the actual glass. Fill the rest. Let's pour our cocktail. Let's double strain it. Okay, and for garnish, we're gonna go with a lime wheel. And with a peeler, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab one of the edges of the actual rhubarb and make a strip. Ladies and gentlemen, the rhubarb margarita with strawberries. Salud.